Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to check your storage limit or your storage remain space on Google Drive if you are using Google Workspace or you are using a custom email from Google. So as you can see here, my storage is about 2 to 5 gigs, and then I don't see the limit of my storage here because I'm using my company Google Drive, which is the Google Workspace. So what you have to do, you have to log in into admin.google.com. So since I'm also the administrator of this account, so I will open another account, and then it's supposed to be the admin console. It will be like this, the interface will be like this, and then scroll down here on the left, you can see the storage. You just click of that, and then here my workspace storage, and then I have remaining about 5 terabytes of space. So the key is you have to log in into the super console admin, which is you have to ask your friend or maybe yourself is the super admin on your company. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.